Hello students, welcome to the video lecture series on electrical installation, maintenance and testing. We have started with the unit number 3 and we have started with the maintenance part. In the last class we have finished the breakdown maintenance and today we are interested for the condition based maintenance. So we are stick to the syllabus only and we will take this third type of maintenance in detail. So we have discussed that preventive maintenance is nothing but the maintenance which can be done before the fault or before the failure of the equipment. And this breakdown maintenance, the name indicates itself, it means that whenever there is an electrical fault, or you can say whenever the failure is going to occur for that particular electrical equipment, then we are doing the maintenance and that is called as a breakdown maintenance. Let's take the today's topic, that is called as a condition based maintenance. It is also called as a predictive maintenance. So don't get confused in preventive maintenance and predictive maintenance. So these are again the different things. We are interested for the discussion. What is the definition and what are the advantages and disadvantages of this predictive maintenance. So consider that it is a method in which the service life of the important part is predicted based on the inspection or diagnosis in order to use the parts to the limits of the service life. So one can do or one can predict the life of that particular equipment based on certain inspection or diagnosis. It reduces the unscheduled breakdown, so that is the advantage of predictive maintenance. It assures that the machine in acceptable condition after the repair. So this predictive maintenance guarantees or assures that machine is acceptable condition after the repair. So one can do the maintenance and we can use that machine for our work. The predictive maintenance allows the maintenance frequency to be as low as possible. So we can save the cost of this maintenance, overall maintenance, by following the predictive maintenance. Preventive maintenance is time based. So you can say that this allows a specific time period. Yes. The activities such as changing the lubricant based on time, such as calendar time or equipment run time. So these activities we are doing inside the predictive maintenance. For example, most of the service providers advise to change the oil in their vehicles every. Consider that every for 5,000 to 10,000 kilometer traveled or 3 to 6 months time interval. So that is called as the predictive maintenance. The examples of predictive maintenance are vibration analysis, oil analysis, thermal imaging and equipment observation. So these are the examples of the predictive maintenance. There is a one experiment is based on this predictive maintenance called as the thermal imaging, or you can say thermography, the art or the pictures which you are taking by the help of thermal cameras, that is called as a thermography. When the predictive maintenance is working effectively as a maintenance strategy, maintenance is only performed on machines when it is required. So that is a advantageous, one can say, and it means just before failure is likely to occur. So if we are diagnosing or if we are observing some fault for a particular equipment, then we can do the predictive maintenance just before the fault. It brings the several cost saving as follows: minimizing the time the equipment is being maintained, minimizing the production hours lost to the maintenance, and minimizing the cost of spare parts and supplies. So this is related to the predictive maintenance. Now we are interested the same flow, that is called the advantages. So it reduces the breakdown losses. So we are reducing the breakdown losses particularly, and it reduces the maintenance cost of the equipment. So this is advantageous. It reduces the total maintenance time of the equipment. It increases the component operational life and availability. So that is again the advantage of the preventive maintenance. It reduces the part and the labor cost also. It saves the energy. It allows for primitive corrective actions. So we can take the action based on our diagnosis. It improves the safety and the environment, obviously. Product quality is better. It increases net operating profit. So these are the advantages of predictive maintenance. Now every system has its own advantage and disadvantage. Now we are interested for the disadvantage of the preventive maintenance. So the disadvantages are: the cost of condition monitoring equipment needed for predictive maintenance is often high. This is not a preventive maintenance, this is the predictive maintenance. Sorry for the typing mistake. Skill level and experience required to accurately interpret the condition monitoring data are also high. The investment on diagnosis equipment required for predictive maintenance is very high. So this is related to the advantages, disadvantages, and the important discussion, or we can say the definition related to the preventive maintenance. In the next class, we will take the equipments and we will do the condition monitoring or the maintenance for that particular equipment. Till then, take care and God bless you all.